The Possessed, also known as Demons, is a novel written by Fyodor Dostoyevsky and published in 1872. The novel is set in a provincial Russian town and explores themes of political ideology, social unrest, and the destructive power of nihilism. The story begins with the arrival of a new character, Nikolai Stavrogin, who is a wealthy and charismatic young man with a troubled past. Stavrogin is initially seen as a figure of hope and change for the town, as he is known for his progressive political ideas and his desire to reform the corrupt local government. However, as the story unfolds, it becomes clear that Stavrogin is not the hero that he initially appears to be. He is revealed to have a dark and violent history, including a secret marriage to a mentally ill woman and involvement in the death of a young boy. The novel also explores the rise of nihilism and revolutionary ideology in Russia during the 1860s. The character of Fyodor Dostoyevsky is a central figure in this movement, and he becomes the leader of a group of young radicals who are determined to overthrow the established order and create a new society. Dostoyevsky's group includes a number of characters who are all struggling with their own personal demons. The most prominent of these characters is Kirillov, a suicidal intellectual who believes that the only way to achieve true freedom is to commit suicide and become a god. The group's plans for revolution become increasingly violent and destructive, culminating in a series of brutal murders and a failed uprising. The novel ends with the tragic and violent deaths of several key characters, including Dostoyevsky and Kirillov. One of the most compelling aspects of The Possessed is its exploration of the complex and often contradictory nature of human behavior. The characters in the novel are not easily categorized as heroes or villains, and their motivations and actions are often ambiguous and difficult to understand. Stavrogin, for example, is a complex and enigmatic figure who is both charming and dangerous. He is capable of great acts of kindness and generosity, but he is also capable of brutal violence and manipulation. Similarly, Dostoyevsky is a charismatic and persuasive leader who is able to attract a following of young radicals. However, he is also revealed to be a deeply flawed and self-serving individual who is willing to sacrifice the lives of others in pursuit of his own goals. The novel is also notable for its exploration of the relationship between ideology and violence. The characters in The Possessed are driven by their ideological beliefs, but their commitment to these beliefs often leads them to commit acts of violence and destruction. Dostoyevsky was deeply critical of the revolutionary movement in Russia during the 1860s, and he saw the rise of nihilism and radicalism as a threat to the stability and moral order of society. The novel can be seen as a warning against the dangers of radical ideology and the potential for violence and chaos that it can unleash. In addition to its exploration of political and philosophical themes, The Possessed is also a powerful work of psychological realism. Dostoyevsky was a master of character development, and the novel is filled with complex and fascinating characters who are struggling with their own personal demons. The character of Stepan Trofimovich, for example, is a failed intellectual who is consumed by his own ego and his fear of aging. The character of Varvara Petrovna is a wealthy and manipulative woman who is determined to control those around her, even at the cost of their happiness and well-being. The Possessed is a challenging and complex work of literature that continues to resonate with readers today. Its exploration of political ideology, social unrest, and the destructive power of nihilism is still relevant in the modern world, and the novel's examination of human psychology and behavior remains a powerful and insightful commentary on the nature of human experience. One of the most interesting aspects of The Possessed is its portrayal of the relationship between religion and politics. The novel is set in a deeply religious and traditional society, and the characters are often grappling with questions of faith and morality. At the same time, the novel is also critical of the role that religion can play in perpetuating social and political oppression. The character of Tikhon, for example, is a corrupt and hypocritical priest who is more concerned with preserving his own power than with serving the needs of his congregation. Dostoyevsky was himself deeply religious, but he was also critical of the way that organized religion could be used to justify oppression and injustice. The Possessed can be seen as a reflection of this ambivalent attitude towards religion and its role in society. Another important theme in The Possessed is the nature of power and its corrupting influence. The characters in the novel are often driven by a desire for power and influence, and this desire can lead them to commit acts of violence and betrayal. Verkhovensky, for example, is a character who is consumed by a desire for power and control. He is willing to sacrifice the lives of others in pursuit of his own goals, and he is ultimately undone by his own arrogance and overconfidence. Similarly, the character of Shadov is a former revolutionary who has become disillusioned with the movement. He is initially drawn to Verkhovensky's charisma and his promise of a better future, but he eventually realizes that the pursuit of power can lead to terrible consequences. Overall, The Possessed is a powerful and thought-provoking novel that continues to be read and studied today. Its exploration of political ideology, social unrest, and the nature of human behavior make it a timeless work of literature that remains relevant in the modern world.
We hope you are enjoying the content on the library channel. Our team is dedicated to bringing you the best book summary, recommendations, and literary discussions on YouTube. If you are finding our content helpful, we would greatly appreciate it if you could take a moment to like this video, leave a comment with your thoughts or suggestions, and subscribe to our channel. This will help us grow and continue to provide you with more great content in the future. Thank you for your support and happy reading.